Yeah, hi everyone. So in today's video we will cover trigonometric ratios and simple problems. Simple problems means you know one of the ratios and you can calculate very easily the other five if you know the angle and one of the ratios. So let's say first of all this whole thing, it may be a little difficult to memorize. If you find it difficult, I'll explain it how do you proceed. I mean, sine 0 is 0. This first row, if you remember this first row, then you can memorize, you can create this table anywhere, anytime. So sine 0 starts with 0, it gradually goes up. It starts at 0 and it ends at 1. So sine 0 is 0, sine 90 is 1. Done with the first and last value. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. So I mean, if you once you have prepared this line, sine 0, sine 30, 1 by 2, 0 and 1 you can fill in. You can anytime prepare this table. When you put cos, you do the reverse. You start with 0, you end with 1, and this is second, this is fourth, 1 by 2 same, 45 they are same, 60, 45 same, 60 matches, yes, and 90 is 1. And when tan theta, first of all I'll start a little basic more again. Some people have always remember this. Some people have curly brown hair turned permanently black. So S is sin theta, C is cos theta, T is tan theta. So sin theta is always people by hypotenuse, P by H, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Tan theta is P by B, perpendicular by base. A little more basics. I am going back. I have covered this in my previous videos, but still. So what is base, what is perpendicular, what is the first of all you decide the hypotenuse. So in a right angle triangle, you know trigonometry applies only to right angle triangles. Now the side opposite to the 90 degree, that is the hypotenuse. Always side opposite to the hypotenuse. And now you are left with other two sides, this one and this one. Now the angle is formed always between base and hypotenuse. So if you consider this as the angle, this is the base, because angle is formed always between base and hypotenuse. So this is base if you consider this angle, and this is the third side which is perpendicular. If you consider this angle, this is the base and this is the perpendicular. Good so far? So now we are going to resolve very easy problems. Let's do that. And another thing I did not write, cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, and cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So these are the 6 terminologies in trigonometry which you need to understand. That is all. That covers the entire trigonometry. Not even in class 10, in class 11th, 12th 2. Sin cos tan, sin is cosec, cos is sec, tan cot, reciprocal. So if they are reciprocals, you know, right, 1 into 1 by, no sorry, 2 into 1 by 2 is 1. So that is why sin theta and its reciprocal cosec theta, sin into cosec theta is 1, cos theta into sec theta is 1, and cot theta into tan theta is 1, because they are reciprocals. Good so far? Now let's resolve some simple problems. On trigonometric ratios. They will give you a right angle triangle, say angle ABC is equal to 30 degree. They will say sine 30 is, no, so sine, no, they won't give you the, give me a second, they won't give you the angle, they will simply give you some, say sine theta equal to, say 1 by root 2, what is cos theta and what is tan theta, etc, etc. So if sin theta is 1 by root 2, you come to know sin 45 is 1 by root 2, right? Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So what is theta then? 45 degree. So cos 45 degree. This is what is, I mean, these are very simple problems. Tan theta is tan 45, tan 45 is 1. This is one of them. Another way of giving a problem is sin theta is, they will say sin theta is 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Calculate cos and whatever, anything. So sin theta is 1 by 5, you know, you do like this. If this is sin theta, you remember this. First of all, you draw a triangle. This is theta. Now sin theta means sin, this angle is 44 by 5, means, see, there are many, this keeping theta constant, you can draw infinite number of triangles. Try to understand that. What is a trigonometry ratio means is theta remaining constant, perpendicular by hypotenuse. If you divide this by this by this, it's always the same. So if I say A1, no, this is A, this is B, and this is C, this is A1, this is A2, A3, this is B1, B2, B3. So sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, right? This is perpendicular by hypotenuse, this is H, say. So sin theta is AC by BC, means, sorry, AB by perpendicular by hypotenuse is AB by AC, AB by AC. So that is equal to, AB by AC is equal to A1 by B1 equal to A2 by, no, not B1, sorry, A1 B1, I would say, sorry, I should write like this, A1 B1, this by hypotenuse is equal to this by this by this by this. The ratio remains the same. That is why it is not sin is actually sin, cos, tan are trigonometric ratios. So they are the ratios of what? Some sin is ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. So perpendicular is AB. If I consider ABC triangle, then AB by AC is sine theta. If I consider A1 B1 C, then perpendicular is, because theta remains the same, right? A1 B1 by A1 C. So AC. So A1 B1 by A1 C, A2 B2 by A2 C, etc., etc., A3 B3 by A3 C, A3 C. Understood so far? So let us consider this as X. So 4 by 5. So if I consider, say, ABC is the triangle, AB by AC is equal to, it's given as 4 by 5 equals to X. So AB is how much? AB by AC is this much. So AB is 4x. No, this is not x. This is 4 by 5. So let this be, let AB be 4x. Then only this cancellation, right? You cancel it. See, this is, how do I explain this? See, this length, the ratio is constant, 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is also equal to 8 by 10, right? It is also equal to 12 by 15. Now, if it's 8 by 10, it's 4 into 2 by 5 into 2. So that is the reason I considered x as the factor. So what do I assume? Here x is 2, here x is 3, because 4 into 3 is 12 and 4 into 5 is 5 into 3 is 15. So let AB equal to 4x and AC then becomes 5x. Understood? Now you calculate BC. You know Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem says P square plus B square equal to hypotenuse square. So P is how much? P is AB, that is 4x, plus B you don't know, B square equal to 5x whole square. So 16x square plus base square equal to 25x square. B square becomes 25x square. This goes on that side, minus 16x square equal to 9x square. So B is root 9x square, that is plus minus 3x. In simple terms, 3x. I will not consider the negative sign, I will consider only the positive sign, because this is positive, I have considered this one as also positive. So you get B means base is nothing but BC. If you consider ABC, if you consider this one, this is different, the x value become y, that will change. So x is for AB for AB by BC, AB by AC, it was 4x and 5x when we considered ABC. If we consider A1 B1 C, this triangle, x will be different, the value will become different. Now we don't know the value, this is just a ratio. So now you can calculate anything. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse, BC by V by hypotenuse, that is BC is how much? BC we calculated, right? 3x by hypotenuse is 5x, 3 by 5. Tan theta, if they ask, tan theta is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is how much? AB by AC. AB is 4x by 3x, that is 4 by 3, and so on. You can if you want, if they want cosec theta, that is 1 by sin theta. Sin theta is how much? Sin theta is 4 by 5, so this is the reverse of that. If they tell cosec theta, then this is 1 by cos theta. Cos theta is how much? Cos theta we calculated 3 by 5, so this is 5 by 3, and then this is cot theta is reverse of tan theta, that is 3 by 4. So this is what try to understand the ratio. Why do we say trigonometric ratios? Because in a triangle if theta is constant, it just says theta, and you can develop as many triangles as you want. You can develop this triangle, you can extend this to whatsoever, I mean at any size. The thing is, everything is going to change. The hypotenuse is going to become longer, the perpendicular is going to become longer, and the base is also going to become longer, but the ratio, try to understand, the ratio remains the same if the angle is the same. So when you say sin 30 is sin 30 is sin 30 is 0, 1 by 2, that means that if you draw a triangle, any triangle, small, large, super large, whatever, if the angle is 30 degree, then this by this is half, which means this is the double of this one. That's interesting, right? I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions around this. I'll definitely I tried my best from my end to explain this to you. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments box. I'll definitely try to answer those. Please share, like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. In the next topic, I'll cover trigonometric identities. So don't go away. I'll shoot that very shortly. Thank you so much.